drowning in leads but struggling to keep them engaged. Let's cut through the chaos and I'll show you how Follow-Up Boss can transform your lead nurturing with powerful mass email campaigns in just a minute and a half. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account and navigate to the People section. Now, select the contacts you want to include in your email campaign. You can use the filters at the top to segment your list based on tags, lead source, or other criteria for more targeted messaging. Once you have your recipients selected, click the Send Email button that appears at the top of your screen. This will open the email composer here. You can craft your email subject line and body. Make sure to write a compelling subject line that grabs your audience's attention. In the body, use personalization tags like first name to make each email feel personal, building stronger connections with your leads. If you have pre-written email templates, you can select from your list to use the content in the body of the email. Now, you can click Send Now to send the email immediately, or Send Later to schedule it for a specific date and time. This is perfect for timing your messages to maximize engagement. Confirm your settings and schedule your email. It's that easy to nurture your leads with the power of Follow-Up Boss. And you're done. Consistent communication builds relationships, boosting your business. Be sure to subscribe for more Follow-Up Boss tips and tricks.